Want to be financially independent, pay for your own studies, help your parents, and even start your own business? Today, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start earning, saving, and building your own income, whether you're a student or a young adult in your 20s. Step 1. Start with the right mindset. Before you start earning, you need the right mindset. Financial independence is not just about money, it's about responsibility, discipline, and planning. Set clear goals. Pay tuition, help your family, or start a business. Make a commitment. Treat your income like a tool, not just pocket money. Trust Allah and take consistent action. Your intention brings barakah in your work. Step 2. Learn to budget and save. You can't be financially independent if you don't control your money. Track your income and expenses. Divide your money into needs, savings, and investments. Avoid unnecessary debt. Even small savings grow over time. Tip: use apps or a simple notebook to monitor your spending. Discipline here is key. Step 3. Earn halal income online. There are tons of ways to earn money online without leaving your studies. Freelancing, writing, graphic design, video editing, coding on Fiverr or Upwork, content creation, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, online tutoring, school or college subjects or languages. Start small, gain experience, and scale as you grow. Step 4. Earn offline, locally. Not everyone wants to work online. You can earn offline too, part-time jobs in cafes, retail, or admin work, tutoring locally, handmade products or DIY crafts, jewelry, art, or customized items. Sell locally or online. Focus on quality and consistency. It's better to have a few loyal clients than many one-time customers. Step 5. Start your own business or brand. Take it to the next level. Start your own brand or small business. Thrift business, buy secondhand clothes and resell online, DIY/handmade products, candles, art, clothing, jewelry, digital products, ebooks, guides, or templates. Steps: identify your niche, test your product, market online, scale gradually. Even students can turn a hobby into profit. Step 6. Invest and multiply your income. Once you start earning, make your money work for you. Save consistently, invest in halal options, Sharia-compliant stocks, mutual funds, Islamic savings accounts. Avoid risky schemes or debt traps. Small investments compound over time, giving you freedom in the future. Step 7. Give back and build barakah. Giving charity increases barakah in your wealth. Donate a small portion regularly. Help your family or community. Build a mindset of abundance and responsibility, not just earning for yourself. Step 8. Stay consistent and learn. Financial independence doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent with earning and saving. Keep learning skills, marketing, business, finance, digital tools. Surround yourself with motivated friends and mentors. The goal is not just earning, it's becoming self-sufficient, responsible, and confident. So there you have it, a full step-by-step guide to becoming financially independent as a student or young adult. Start small. Take action today. Even one side hustle or small business can change your life in a year. Follow these steps to support yourself, help your parents, fund your studies, and build your dream business. Don't wait. Start your journey to financial independence now.